Lecture in my head, the tone, the timing, the lesson, but something told me to wait. He made a mistake, and I already knew what I wanted to say, how to walk him through every choice he made. But I saw his face. He wasn't rebellious, he was scared and tired. So I didn't correct him. I didn't explain. I sat, quiet. And in that silence, he talked. Not fast, not clean, but real. It taught me something I keep relearning as a father. Sometimes presence is more than explanation. Sometimes silence is how he trusts. That day, I didn't say much, but he did. And I'm learning that love doesn't always need a lecture. It just needs space to speak. Subscribe to follow the rest of the case files. Episode 3 coming soon.